LOCS. Ooh, girl, you see that baby hair? What?
What's up, my lovers and friends? I'm back. Hey, what y'all doing? Hello. But first, subscribe. Nah, really, subscribe, because you gonna want to see this length. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep this going. I'm gonna need y'all to see how my hair is growing, flourishing with these wigs. My edges is coming back. Life is grand. But I got a good video for you, and you're probably wondering why I have these individuals in my hair. And today I'm going to be trying the NICOLE method with the infamous BOMBA locks, which I really enjoyed when I had them crocheted. But in this video, I'm going to be showcasing my experience when I did the individual method, so stay tuned. So it took me about 2 days to do these individual braids into my hair, and that's the basis of the NICOLE individual method. And I really liked it. I used a few products. Now, number one, I'm gonna tell y'all I am tracking my experience with the rice water thing, but we'll get into that in another video. But the first thing I used on my hair as I was doing the individuals were Jamaican black castor oil leave-in conditioner. I used actual Jamaican black castor oil, and then I had this Manzani Define Wax, which I absolutely love. This was one I tucked away. I brought it back out. It helped me grip it and helped when I was braiding down for the base of the individuals to kind of stay solid. Plus it had beeswax in it, so that was clutch. I can't lie to you all, my original intent with the BOMBA locks was to make it into a wig, and I did. I did the crochet in the frontal thing, and here were my results. Yeah, it was pretty damn bad and bulky. These things are extremely hard to make because it's hard to estimate like what the front will look like, and as you can see, I look like Milli Vanilli. But I am not about to waste these BOMBA locks, so I am going to be plucking them off this wig and applying them to my own hair with the individual method. I did not record me crocheting. There's tons of videos on the tube that go into way better detail than I could capture around doing the individual method with the crochets, but I was very pleased how it came out. The longest part of this style is actually braiding your individual hair. The crocheting and wrapping was kind of very much smooth. What I needed to do was get out of the uniformity of the ends, and there were a few different methods on how to kind of make the ends not so curly and coney from that perspective. So I tried the blow drying thing. I didn't too much like that. It made the ends like too straight. Then I decided that I wanted to kind of mimic the goddess lock thing, and I gave that a try by braiding down or braiding my crochets and then dipping it in water. So I braided the hair, and then I also braided the ends as well to kind of make it, like I said, less uniform. And then I boiled some water, waited till it, it was still hot but not too hot, and did this. And I ended it up, because I was leaving to go out of town the next day, I just ended up leaving it braids. So yes, I'm giving you all the Thai dollar sign that you need to experience just to loosen up the ends and make it kind of cuter and less uniform. But let me tell you, I did all of that for nothing. It did not come out crinkly or curly the next day. But did this style slay? I'm telling you, no other style have I done that I received as many compliments, looks, just a lot of love with this lock style. I kept it in for about a month. So this is a long-lasting, cheap protective style. It was so fun to try different looks and wraps with it. And I look forward to doing this again. So if you like this video, please give me some feedback below. If you want to see more details, I'm definitely going to be trying this again. I have more hair. And I want to know if you guys want me to capture more details around these BOMBA faux locks. But ladies, this is the thing to do. Love it. Try it yourself. Very easy. And it has my seal of approval. Talk to you all soon.